What's up, YouTube? Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. But we got this 4300 John Deere all serviced up. I'll show you what I got going on here, what we found and what we fixed. We cleaned it up first, but turned out pretty good. Hopefully she's got the power issue straightened out, but here we go. All right, like I said, this machine's only got maybe 300 hours on it. We changed the oil, changed the fuel filter. The fuel filter was completely plugged. That's back in there. The air filter was completely trashed. They had the wrong air filter in it. Topped it off with the antifreeze. The antifreeze was actually low. Gonna go ahead and get it greased up here as well. But the biggest issue we found, remember this thing we had going on back here? She's all tightened up now. I'll show you what we got here. So, gotta get in there where I can see it. All right, so you can see what we got here now. What I had to do is I had to build a bracket, a new bracket to put in there. This bolt, it actually came out and it fell off the one side. It actually snapped off. You see on this one, there's a little bitty ear on it. So we built this little bracket, put it in there, ground it down, re-put it in so that now the levers work. So, all right, so the biggest issue we had here was the parking brake. Parking brake was locked up. You see when I drove it off the trailer, it was locked up. I'm gonna crawl it up underneath here real quick and kind of show you what we got. All right, so right there is the parking brake, and I had to put a new spring on it, but it was basically locking up. Both sides were locking up onto it, which meant it did not have any power. Pretty much awesome to try to get freed up here, but we got her freed up, and I think it should be good now. All right, we're gonna give her a little fire up here so you can hear what she sounds like now. Amazing. Go ahead and go take this down the road. We're gonna go do a little pipe job here. So.